Hey, what's up everyone, Ollie here. So I wasn't going to make this video, but ever since I posted on Instagram and Twitter, so many of you have requested it. I thought, hey, I'll just do it. You know, it's probably a quick one anyway. So recently I picked up an electric screwdriver. Yeah, very, very exciting stuff. So I got this thing. I don't actually know what it is, Maya. It's from Xiaomi. It's their sort of like home line of products, or yeah, I think it's their home line of products. I'm not really exactly sure. And it's basically just an electric screwdriver. I was looking for an electric screwdriver to use around the house, at home and stuff, you know, just to put things together. I wasn't looking for anything too powerful, too crazy, because I already do have a more powerful electric drill, electric screwdriver that I use, but I wanted something that was much more compact and better looking, because most of the electric screwdrivers out there are pretty darn ugly. And I like the idea of taking just an average, everyday sort of product, everyday sort of item, tech item, whatever it may be, and giving it an aesthetic, giving it a nice look. So yeah, I bought one of these. I think it was like £50, $40, something like that. Quite cheap actually for what it is. So you get this sort of like hard shell case sort of thing inside the box. There isn't anything else. There's some Chinese documentation, which I can't read because obviously it's in Chinese. But anyway, quite a nice sort of hard shell case. If I unzip it open, and inside we have the electric screwdriver. And as you can see, it's a darn good looking electric screwdriver. I really, really like it. I especially love how compact it is. You know, it's just a perfect little size for just screwing things together, you know, whether it be like a desk, shelving unit like the one I've got behind me, or whatever else it may be. It has a very nice sort of space grey, satin grey sort of finish to it. I think it looks incredible. It really does look so good. Yeah, when you like use it, it's quite loud, but it has a nice little LED here whenever you use it. And on the back here, there is a sort of like dial to change between left or right, or clockwise and anti-clockwise, so you can screw and unscrew things together. But yeah, I mean, it's pretty good. There is a 2000 milliamp hour battery. I think it's a 2000 milliamp hour battery. Don't quote me on that, but I think it is. And yeah, they just have a nice little logo on the bottom here. And yeah, it's really good. In the box, what else we get in the box? So in the box we have this nice sort of drill bit case. If I open it up, you have like all the drill bits. You also have like an extender as well. You don't have to use the extender when you're using the screwdriver itself. I say drill bits, they're not really drill bits, they're screw bits, aren't they? I keep getting it mixed up. I know a lot of people corrected me, it's not a drill, it's a screwdriver, but yes, it is a screwdriver. And yeah, you have like basically anything you might need, Allen key sizes, you know, flatheads, but even the little case is really well designed. It's a nice little satisfying case. It has a sort of like a what's the best way to describe it? It almost looks like one of the old Game Boys, because it's a little bit see-through but not completely see-through. It's really well designed actually. But yeah, just a good way to hold all the little screw bits. The screw bits themselves as well are, you know, metal. They're very high quality. They're not plastic or anything, which is good to know. And yeah, again, they sort of match the aesthetic, the sort of space grey look with it. Same with this actually. Oh no, this is more of a satin black, matte black sort of finish. Again, made out of metal, as it should be. If they were plastic, they would fall apart quick. One of the other best things about this though, is that it charges via USB-C. I haven't actually opened this up yet, but there is a USB-C port at the bottom. So you don't have any proprietary chargers or anything like that, like you do get with a lot of electric screwdrivers and a lot of electric drills. You can just plug this in via USB-C. And I know most of you, I know I definitely do, have tons of USB-C chargers. So yeah, really good and easy way to charge it. When it comes to the actual screwing capabilities, I've put a few things together, but I haven't actually recorded me putting anything together with the screwdriver itself, because there hasn't been anything substantial enough. But yeah, I mean, it's more than powerful enough. It only has one speed though. That's the only thing that I think may put quite a bit of people off, because you can't actually sort of adjust the speed with the trigger. It's sort of just one speed and that's it. The torque is okay, you know, it's not the most powerful thing in the world, but it shouldn't be. It is mainly just for putting things together at home. You know, I could easily put together like the shelving unit behind me, a desk together, or whatever else it may be. I think this would be ideal for stuff like that. But yeah, I am really happy with my purchase so far. I think it's fantastic. I know a lot of you guys have already used my affiliate link to buy it, because I can see how many people have bought it, and yeah, I've been pretty surprised. I think a lot of people are getting this because it just looks so good. It could even just be a prop in a video, you know, or a prop in the background of a photo or something. It is so good looking. I really like it when you take like a normal product like this and just make it, you know, aesthetically pleasing, aesthetically good looking. You know, I think this product was pretty much designed for me. You know, it's a bit of me, this product is. Another product which I really like the look of, it's not as aesthetically pleasing as the electric screwdriver, is the IFixit kit. IFixit sort of screwdriver kit. Really satisfying magnet sort of case. And inside you have your screwdriver, you have the extender, and you have all your little screw bits. And it's just fantastic. You know, when I was putting my gaming PC together, I needed a kit which, you know, could basically just do everything, and this is that kit. It is so well designed. It's just fantastic. It's a really great product to use every day, and I found it more useful than I ever thought I would. I've been putting together all sorts of different things. I've been taking apart all sorts of different things with this screwdriver kit because it just has so many different sizes. It's also really high quality. You know, all the little screw bits are fantastic quality. They're made out of metal. It has a sort of matte black finish to it with some blue accents. You know, it would look great if it was all matte black and if all the bits were black as well. But hey, I'm just being picky in here now. I'm being overly sort of aesthetic, you could say, in a way. But yeah, I love products like these. Another product which isn't really sort of screwdriver related is my Bang & Olufsen speaker that I have. I have the Bosound 2. Now this speaker, whenever anyone sees this speaker in my house, whenever friends and whatever else see it, even when I post it on Instagram, a lot of people are just like, what is that thing? What is that cone looking thing? And it's a speaker. It's a fantastic wireless speaker that, you know, works like a Sonos system does pretty much. You can connect up Spotify and other services to it and have all your music come through there. And it's just an incredible speaker. It's very expensive though, you know, I think it's like $1,500, £1,500, something like that. But it is so well designed. It's machined from aluminium. The subwoofer is at the bottom of it, and then it has like an array of speakers and a tweeter at the top. And it has some very clever functionality. At the top you have like a touchpad which you can use to swipe between tracks and stuff. The dial at the top actually rotates for the volume, and it has sensors all around it, infrared sensors, so that when you put it against a wall or in a corner, which is where it should go, it will sort of adapt to that environment and fire the noise and sound towards you, so you have a great listening experience. The sound quality from this thing is just incredible. It's absolutely phenomenal. It's one of the best sounding speakers that I've ever used, but it should be for the price. But with this sort of product, you're not just paying for the audio quality, you're also paying for the service, you're paying for the sort of design, you're paying for that aesthetic. And I'm always willing to pay a premium when it comes to the aesthetic for things. You know, I like to have everyday products look great. I want everything around me to look great. And this is why I'm willing to spend money on products like these. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this quick video. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter and subscribe for more.